Hi, I'm Sam. This is a short video just to introduce myself. I know nothing about making films. I don't have an editing suite. All I have is a knackered old iPhone. I don't have any puppies, kittens, nice boobies, a nice butt or anything. All I have is a load of old fishing rods, a 28-foot 1976 Broads Cruiser here in Norfolk. That's it. So I'm going to endeavour to learn how to edit videos and use YouTube. On the way, I will show you lots of wildlife, lots of fish. They'll all be taken from my old iPhone. They'll be a bit juddery to begin with, but I'm going to endeavour to get better and better. Please bear with me. Subscribe if you can be bothered. It's just a click. Cheers.